box from AutoDoc.com, and I've ordered some things, and I think they sent it separated in two boxes because they gave me two tracking numbers, even though it was just one order. But let me open this one and see what is inside, and then I'll check if everything is here, or if not, I'll probably get the second box tomorrow or the day after. So, okay. This is like just this thing. And this is just half of the order, and it's a back box from my 106 Rally. Original back box. Okay. Here you go. An original 106 Rally S2 back box to fit on my exhaust whenever I have to go to the MOTs.